Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here, back again with another case review, this time for the LG G7. These cases are by Ringke, one of the best case manufacturers on the market right now. You can get some great cases from them at a great price. And not only that, not only are they affordable, not only do they look good, but they also give great protection to your devices. You know, I recently did a review video using 3 cases from Ringke on my Galaxy S9 Plus. I did a drop test with all 3 of those cases, and they all held up great and give great protection to my device. No damage was done. So I'm here to do another review, this time for the LG G7. And if you find yourself interested in these cases, at the end of the video I will throw the links down in the description below so you can go purchase them on Amazon. Now unfortunately I do not have the device on hand. For some reason there's been some kind of delay. I'm kind of disappointed about that. I have not received it yet, but I still want to go ahead and share these cases with you guys because they are great cases if you are in the market for a case for your new LG G7. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my favorite out of the 2, which is this one right here, and it is called the LG G7 ThinQ Smoke Black. Now to be honest, I've never been a fan of these type of cases. As you can see, it's real gel feeling, kind of really flexible feeling type of case. Honestly, I've never been a fan of these type of cases, but for some reason this one has really grown on me. I think it looks really nice with that smoke black finish to it, and it's still see-through, so I know it's going to look nice on my device. I'll still be able to show off what the phone looks like, but still have this nice smoke black finish to it. As you can see, it's got the camera cutout, fingerprint sensor, the flash. You got a nice lip here, so if you put the back straight down like that on a flat surface, you're not going to get any damage to the camera or fingerprint sensor. No scratching the lens or anything like that. You also got the buttons on the side of the case, some nice cutouts on the bottom. You got the microphone cutout as well, and up here at the top. Now it's got some great grip, even though it is a flexible case. Once you get the device in there, it's not going to be flexible like that, but it's going to make it feel firm. You're going to have nice grip, and it also feels like it's going to give nice protection. And you will also be able to put your phone face down without damaging the display, because there is a nice little lip raise here around all the edges. So overall, feels like it's going to be a great case. I cannot wait to try it out. All right, so here is the next case. This one is called the Fusion X LG G7 ThinQ Black. Now this one is a little different from the last one. Actually, it's really different from the last one. As you can see, it is not that flexible. It's actually more like a hard plastic, but it is nice because it doesn't really attract fingerprints either, being see-through, and they actually did a really good job with this, so you won't really have to worry too much about trying to keep it clean. Now around the edges is where it gets pretty flexible, but I think that's just to make it easier to slip the phone in and out of there. But I would say this case is more for something if you're going to be outdoors, maybe taking a hike, or maybe if you work outside, construction. I think this is going to be one of those cases to give you some extra protection in case you get those really hard falls, or if you're someone who likes to drop your device all the time. But yes, this feels like it's going to give great protection. You also got a little bit of a higher raised lip right here for the camera cutouts, and also around the edges right here, the lip looks like it's a little bit higher, so if you do end up dropping the phone face down or on its back, you're still going to get good protection. But yes, overall great case. Like I said, if you're someone who likes to go outdoors a lot, or if you work outside, this would be great for that. So there it is, you guys, 2 cases by Ringke that look like they are going to do great on the LG G7. Not only are they attractive, not only are they affordable, but they are going to give you some great protection for your device. Like I said, if you want to see my previous video of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, where I do the drop test using 3 different Ringke cases, so you can see just how durable they are, that video will be down in the description below. You can click on it and check it out, and the links for these 2 cases right here will be also down in the description below in case you would like to go purchase those for your LG G7 or your future LG G7. But that is it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you have not already. You guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
It's going Ringke.